So you want to start page numbering from a specific page in MS Word. For this, the first step is place the cursor at the beginning of the page from which you want to do numbering. Second step is go to the Layout tab and click on this Breaks. And from the section Breaks, select the Continuous option. If you want to know what happened with this Continuous option, go to the Home tab and click on this Q-like option. So now you can see a line here which is added because of this Continuous option. To hide these Q-like symbols, click again on this Q-like option. In third step, you have to go to this Insert tab and then click on this page number. And then select this bottom of page and then this third option, as I want to add the page number on the bottom right of the page. Then unclick this link to previous option and then remove the page number from the pages that are above the chapter 1 page by just clicking this and pressing the delete or backspace button on the keyboard. And you are done. The page number is starting from the chapter 1, that is 1 on chapter 1, 2 on chapter 2 and so on. And there is no page number on the pages before the chapter 1 page. Thank you.